Design thinking has led to extraordinary improvements. Design thinking has the potential to unleash people's full creative energies, win their commitment, and radically improve processes and create winning products. It provides a structure for managers to follow to create incredible innovations. Many managers on innovation teams are not designers and also aren't used to doing face-to-face research with customers. Getting deeply immersed in their perspectives, co-creating with stakeholders, or designing and executing experiments. The design thinking structure and tools help managers try and adjust to these new behaviors. To create successful innovations repeatedly, an innovation process must deliver 4 things: superior solutions, lower risk, lower cost of change, and employee buy-in. In recent times, businesses and entrepreneurs have created tactics that have helped achieve these outcomes, but many fall short when it comes to trying to apply them, and companies often have to deal with new obstacles and trade-offs. If you want to take your ideation up a notch, download our free PDF on analogy thinking and how it can unlock new ideas for you and your team. If you want to take your design thinking to the next level, check out our free 5-day design thinking crash course delivered by email each day for 5 days. Link is in the bio. Superior solutions. When problems are defined in obvious ways, it can be unsurprising that they lead to obvious solutions. Design thinking helps us ask more interesting and thought-provoking questions that can help teams discover solutions that are original and get to the real root of the problem. By creating the solution hand in hand with customers and incorporating their feedback, it is widely accepted that the solutions are much better. It also helps teams eliminate the risk of indefinitely getting hung up searching for a problem. Market research can play a role in helping companies understand these criteria, but the obstacle here is that it's hard for customers to know they want something when it doesn't yet exist. Design thinking also advocates bringing a wider range of customers with diverse backgrounds into the process, helping create superior solutions. Lower risks and lower costs. You can't create innovation without a level of uncertainty. That's why various prototypes and potential solutions are explored to help mitigate risk. The trade-off is that too many ideas dilute focus and resources. To manage this tension, innovators must be willing to let go of bad ideas. Unfortunately, people often find it easier to kill the creative, and arguably riskier, ideas than to kill the incremental ones. Design thinking allows everyone's opinions and ideas to be heard without dwelling on the viability of the idea in the early stages. By incorporating customers into the validation process, it removes some of the personal biases we all possess and gathers real feedback on how the ideas can help consumers. Employee buy-in. An innovation won't succeed unless a company's employees get behind it. The surest route to winning their support is to involve them in the process of generating ideas. The danger is that the involvement of many people with different perspectives will create chaos and incoherence. Design thinking creates a structure where all ideas can be given and evaluated. Then, the innovation team can move on with the agreed solutions. The design thinking structure and linearity helps managers keep the innovation process moving at the right pace. Organized processes keep people on track and curb the tendency to spend too long exploring a problem or to impatiently skip ahead. They also instill confidence. Most humans are driven by fear of mistakes, so they focus more on preventing errors than on seizing opportunities. They opt for inaction rather than action when a choice risks failure. But there is no innovation without action, so psychological safety is essential. The physical props and highly formatted tools of design thinking deliver that sense of security, helping would-be innovators move more assuredly through the discovery of customer needs, idea generation, and idea testing. In most organizations, design thinking involves 7 activities. Each generates a clear output that the next activity converts to another output until the organization arrives at an implementable innovation. But at a deeper level, something else is happening. Something that executives generally are not aware of. Though ostensibly geared to understanding and molding the experiences of customers, each design thinking activity also reshapes the experiences of the innovators themselves in profound ways. If you want to learn more about the fundamentals of design thinking, check out our other videos on common pitfalls with design thinking and design thinking, what is it? And if you want to take your ideation up a notch, download our free PDF on analogy thinking and how it can unlock new ideas for you and your team. Or if you want to take your design thinking to the next level, check out our free 5-day design thinking crash course delivered by email each day for 5 days. Links in the bio.